Hello friends, this video we are going to learn about what is the difference between Automation Anywhere version 2019 and Blueprism version 6.x and UIPATH version 2019.x. So as of now, Automation Anywhere they are moving ahead of 2019 version 13 completed. 2019 13 has completed, and Blueprism version 6.8 is currently going on, and UIPATH they are moving ahead of version 2019 10. So when we compare to Automation Anywhere, Blueprism and UIPATH, both AA and BP had most of the new features they introduced, but Blueprism has, when comparing to AA and UIPATH, Blueprism has very less in new features. When we talk about Automation Anywhere, AA Sense Recorder, this AA Sense Recorder is already available in version 11, but they improved a lot of things. For example, if you want to capture any area of images, AA Sense will automatically recognize and it will create the fields. For example, in AI, all you know about metabots. When we go with metabots, so easily we can capture and we can take image to text. So in that case, a sense recorder will capture field by field, and it will help to automate complex UI as well as old legacy applications. And when we talk about Blueprism new features, so first of all I will complete Automation Anywhere all the 5, and then Blueprism and then UiPath. The second one is the UX. Automation Anywhere has new feature as UX, so it will support multi-language. As of now they are supporting 8 to 9 languages, and Automation Anywhere they are moving ahead with natural language processing, and Louis like Alexa support, and as well as Amazon Web Service and cloud AWS. So these are all the things they are supporting through their tools. So you can easily drag and drop NLP and you can create your own. So NLP they are coming with APIs, so you can drag and drop and you can do yourself with NLP process or else AI process. Also they have one new feature is IQBot. The IQBot is already available up from version 11 as well, but they're improving as OCR and Microsoft Azure APIs. They're integrated with Azure API and OCR. So IQBot is nothing but that intelligent quotient. See, this intelligent quotient is nothing but that. So when we talk about suppose you have some PDF formats or scanned images within you want to convert these PDF images or scanned images into text. So in that case, the frame by frame they are if you IQBot is a separate exe. If you take it through IQBot, which is separate exe in Automation Anywhere, then now AA 2019 IQBot is including in control panel or control room. So if you open IQBot, it will ask for PDF or scanned images. If you given PDF or scanned images, it will automatically recognize. Suppose you are providing the invoice copy, the invoice number, invoice name or invoice manager, so everything it will be take automatically. If you want to teach anything to the bot, you can teach it through drag and drop the fields or moving ahead with fields for formatted and unformatted structures. So it will land with AA Sense, which means for suppose you are giving 10 formats, suppose Sometimes in BPO they have some healthcare industry, they are giving more than 100 formats or 1000 formats. Through IQ bots, those scanned image formats or um, image formats or PDF formats we can land, we can teach through IQ bots, and finally it will take all the formats and it will give the image to text values. So now they are adding Azure APIs as well for with IQBot. So previously they have only Abi and Tesseract. Now they are adding Azure and as well as APIs or as well. Also the one more thing, they are supporting with Power BI support, Power Business Intelligence, that is booming technology now. For business dashboards, they are adding with Power BI support. So these are all the new features, and they are booming to market in very fast levels. And Blueprism, when we talk about Blueprism version 6.8, that they are integrating with inbuilt Splunk integration. The Splunk is a tool which having business dashboards and dashboard integration. So all the dashboard or else reporting system. So if you want to do any reporting systems, Splunk will automatic. Suppose your client needs some reporting, daily reports, how much the bot has been processed data. So in that case, in-depth data or deep dive data, you can take it through Splunk, because it will give us a reporting system as a chart, and as well as different type of formats. So they are adding inbuilt Splunk. So if you give data in database or else JSON formats, it will automatically take it and it will arrive into a different reporting formats. Also, they have added new VPO get item by ID. So get item by ID will retrieve items using unique item ID, and once unique item ID has been added, it will added into the work queues as well. As well as they have added enhanced encryption options for password management and deep dive into the security. For Blueprism, when we talk about Blueprism, all the banking domains are using, all the banking applications or banking sectors are using Blueprism because of the security. They have added new security features also. Um, Also, they have double tier integration with security. Most of the banking sectors and security related automations will move through Blueprism only. Also, multiple process import. They are added new feature, multiple process import for single operation. So it will help us to develop and test very easily and quickly as like as manner. Also, they had added one more feature, adapters for Windows and MS Office. They were added more features to the Windows and Office to the enhanced adapters. Mostly the Blueprism has very less features when we are adding on it, but the thing is they are more concentrating on encryption, decryption, security related items, and reporting kind of things. When we talk about UiPath, they are added. They are the only competitor for AA. AA has only competitor UiPath because BP is not in current competition. Also, when we talk about UiPath, they are added very new features and as well as market leader. They are moving into the market leader in 2020. When we talk about UiPath agent desktop, they added new feature agent desktops. How agent desktops will help? Agent desktops will run and monitor, process, and scheduled. You can schedule the jobs directly. there is a new specified feature, that is agent desktops. Also they had one more option added with the credential store. Now the credential store support they are added with Azure Key Vault. Previously they were added with the credential store with orchestrated vault, and now they are added credential store, maybe user ID, password, or API URLs, all the things they are using with a third party Azure Key Vault. Also, Insight Analytics, they're adding a new feature as Insight Analytics for enhanced reporting and business dashboard systems. And for another one feature is background process template. For all of their background process templates are available. You can check your UiPath official website for background process templates. Also, they added one more feature is workflow analyzer. The workflow analyzer will validate all the workflows which will be related to particular workflow agent and workflow queue analyzer. So these are all the new things, and so when we compare to AA, BP, and UiPath, UiPath is moving ahead fastest leader movement in AA 20 in 2020 year. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this, and we will meet next video with new concept. Thank you.